In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to change the shape of a button control in Android. Step 1, I will add the button on my activity. Then I will switch to the text XML editor by clicking on the text tab here at the bottom. And now I can have a preview of the XML code for the button and even for the linear layout. And step 2 is to add a shape file, and I will do that by right clicking on the drawable folder, which is found under the res folder or the resources folder. And then I will go to new, then I will select the drawable resource file, and I will call my file circular shape. Then I will click on OK. And here I will change the tag name selector to shape. That is step 1. Step 2, within the shape tag selector, I will put an attribute named shape, and I will choose oval. Then in between the shape tags, I will specify the color for the shape, and that is solid, and we'll choose color, and in our case I will hard code, and I will say maybe red. So that's color red, and here on the preview we can be able to see the color of the button. And therefore I will switch back to the XML code for my button, and I will insert the shape and map it on my button by using the background attribute, and I will say drawable dot circular shape, the one that we implemented. And here on my preview we can see that the button is oval in shape, but we will have to change that so that it becomes circular, and we can do that by changing the layout width to maybe 150 dp, and maybe also the layout height to maybe 150 dp. And as you can see right now, we've got a button, and we can also implement a click event on this button. And let's run and see. So it may take a short while, and there we can see there is our button, and it's circular in form. The only thing that I can advise is that anytime we are implementing the color, as you can see here, I have hard coded the color, but we can use the colors.xml file, which is a good place to place your color values, and it is found on the resources folder, and under the values folder, and there is the colors XML, and these are the colors that come default with my project. And I can add another color. Maybe I will name it yellow, and I will give it a value, and as you can see, that's the hex code for yellow. And I will come back to my circular shape.xml, that's the drawable, and I will use the art, and I will use the color yellow, and there it is. It has changed color. This is nice, and it's easier, especially when you want to update the theme color for your application later. You don't have to go everywhere where you had coded the color, but you'll just make the changes here on this one file and rebuild your application again. And therefore I will run my application, and we will see now the button has changed to yellow. So thank you, and that is how we change the shape of a button in Android.